This 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 178 BHSK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Forest River is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a carbon interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, self-contained, smoke detector, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector, TV antenna, external shower, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 178 BHSK is 3,730 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.